Want to learn Python but think it's too hard? Think again. In this video, we're breaking down Python into bite-sized pieces that actually make sense. By the end, you'll write your first program. Python is a programming language that reads like English. Unlike complex languages, Python lets beginners focus on logic, not confusing syntax. It powers AI, data science, and web apps. Companies like Google and Netflix use it daily. You don't need math skills or prior experience, just curiosity and patience. Python is perfect for learning how to think like a programmer. Everything in Python stores in containers called variables. Think of them as labeled boxes holding information. Data types include numbers, text, and true or false values. Wending and office asterisks. Operators are actions, addition, subtraction, comparison. Here's the magic. Python's simple syntax means less code, fewer errors. Practice writing, name equals your name in quotes, age equals your age in numbers. Run it. See, you're already coding. Functions are reusable blocks of code like recipes you reference repeatedly. Loops repeat actions automatically. Conditionals check conditions. If something is true, do X, otherwise do Y. These three concepts power 90% of all programs. Start simple, create a function that greets someone by name. Add a loop that repeats 5 times, then add an if statement checking age. Practice these fundamentals thoroughly before advancing. Build a simple calculator or quiz game using everything learned. This simple calculator practice questions. What's the difference between a variable and a function? Write code printing numbers 1 to 10. Create a function adding 2 numbers. Debug broken code intentionally to learn error messages. Download our free practice worksheet in the description. Complete 5 exercises weekly. Consistency beats cramming. You're building real skills that employers want. Smash that subscribe button for more Python tutorials. Drop a comment. What's your first Python project goal? Let's build this journey together.